In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a share link from OneDrive in Outlook. Using a share link instead of attaching a full file keeps your email light, ensures everyone sees the latest version, and lets you control access without resending anything. Let's walk through it together at a calm, steady pace so you can follow along. First, open Outlook. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Either works as long as your account is connected to OneDrive. Give it a moment to load your mailbox so all the menus are available. Next, click New Email. This opens a fresh message window where you'll write your subject and body. You don't have to fill anything in yet, but it helps to have the message ready, so the link lands exactly where you want it. Now look for Attach File. In the desktop app, it's on the ribbon near the top. In the web version, it appears as a paperclip icon. Click Attach File, then choose Browse Cloud Locations. This option tells Outlook you want to pull a file from your connected cloud storage rather than attaching a local copy. Choosing the cloud keeps your message small and sets you up to share a link. From the cloud locations, select your OneDrive file. You can navigate through your folders. Use search to find the exact file name, and even confirm you've got the right item by checking the file type and location. If you keep multiple versions, select the one you want recipients to view or collaborate on. Remember, since you are using OneDrive, any updates you make later will be reflected for people who use the link. When Outlook prompts you, choose Share Link. You may see wording like Share Link versus Attach as a copy. Share Link is the option that embeds a OneDrive link in your email. With this choice, recipients get a clickable link instead of a bulky attachment. Depending on your organization's settings, Outlook may automatically set permissions so recipients can view the file. If your environment allows it, you can adjust who can access the link, but the key action here is to select Share Link, so the item is linked from OneDrive rather than attached outright. That's it. Thanks for watching.